Alright, so today we're gonna be repairing a Solari clock. So the repair is for the hours not turning when reaching 60 minutes. So as you can see, it's not working. So we're gonna be repairing the mechanism. So you need to remove the driving part of it, put aside the rest. And what's failing often is this latch here. As you can see, we have a moving finger kind of thing with some kind of spring, and the plastic part is breaking off. So we're gonna be removing this plastic thing and putting a new one that I designed. That is a replacement part, with this thing being reinforced. So for this you need to remove here a clip. So you can take the appropriate tool or just do this and try not to lose it and put it aside, and then you can remove this assembly. You need to remove here the spring, and we will need to work on this. So you can put this aside. Alright, so here what we need to do is remove the old plastic part that's broken off by drilling or removing the plastic from the other side. So you can just break it apart if you don't want to remove it properly, or just cut it off like this and then remove it. Perfect. So of course the old one was melted in order to be kept in place, but this kind of resin cannot be melted, so this is a two-part piece that needs to be glued. So we are going to put the counter piece here and glue it in place. So I'm going to do that right now. You can use a regular super glue for this. Perfect. And now you need to hold it in place like this with the super glue here. You can wiggle it, not too much, just in order for the glue to go in place, and just hold it firm like this. And as you can see, you have something like going out a little. You can remove the excess, so you can just clip it like so. Perfect. So now it's flush. So now that it's flush, you have a working mechanism. So I recommend you to play a little with it so that it's kind of going easier. Alright, you see, now it's much snappier. So you can just rub it a little. You can even spray some silicone spray or lubricant on it, but this is clearly enough. What I will do is just take some of the excess grease, that's here, and put it here. Perfect. So now that's done, you can just put it back again. So it's going like so. And secure it with this. Perfect. So now, as you can see, you need to put the spring back, like so. And now you have this mechanism as well as this one. So you can see it's really perfect. Everything's working fine. So now you need to put it back. So perfect. So now that it's done, all right. Perfect, it's working. So as you can see, I will do it another time. Beautiful. So now that Solari is repaired and ready to go for a long time, you can contact me if needed. I can provide the 3D models or even the printed parts already ready to be installed. So have a good day and thanks.